So imagine harvesting 15,000 pineapples, and after 1 year you gain harvest 15,000 pineapples up to 3 times. And remember, these are pineapples that are not going to ripen at a go. That's the beauty of a pineapple garden.
Yeah.
1 acre, you'll find that it is ripening in phases. For instance, you can see we are harvesting this.
Yeah.
This one we harvested some time back. You see now these slips are quite grown.
Like 3 of them.
Yes, these are
Actually, 4.
They are
four actually.
Yes,
Wow.
these ones, they are more or less ready
So
to pick.
when was this harvested?
This one maybe was around May.
May. Oh, okay.
When we removed this one.
Wow.
Those are some of those early, because as you plant some of these slips, there are those that are well grown,
Yeah.
well developed, others are a little bit. So you find that when you plant, your pineapple will grow in phases. So imagine we harvested that one, but we can say we are really in earnest starting with these pineapples.
Yeah.
So remember, there are those ones which are at this level, these ones which are flowering.